Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
and good evening. Okay, Alhamdulillah, saya rasa semua dah join dah. Ada lagi tak yang belum join? Hopefully semua dah join. Kita sepatutnya sekarang ni ada 14. 14 out of 17 student. Okay, 14 out of 70 student. No, sorry. 16 out of 70 student. Okay, because I entered this meeting with 2 ID. Okay, if you notice, if you look at the member of our Google Meet, then you will be able to see me with 2 IDs. So meaning that I entered this Google Meet with 2 ID. Okay, jom kita mula. Let us get started. So today we are going to look at input-output file. Kita akan tengok dekat input-output file. So we have done coding parts before. So what are we trying to do, or what we are doing now actually is a reverse process, whereby I ask you to do the coding part first. I hope that you will get stuck. Then now we are going to solve the problem. Okay, so during our session, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. Please interrupt me while I'm teaching. Okay, so that you will get clear picture on how to solve a problem using input-output file. So jom kita mula, jangan buang masa noh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, can you see my screen? Boleh nampak tak screen saya? My slide. Can you see my slide?
Can, sir. Can, sir.
Nampak Can
Nampak.
Okay, good. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, file input output. So today we are going to look at file input output. Okay, what does it mean by file input output? Okay, before this, when we are talking about getting input, okay, bila kita bercakap tentang getting input, so you can imagine this is a user, kan? This is Java. So here kita gunakan scanner, scanner s equal to new scanner, betul tak? And then dalam kurungan kita guna system.in. Betul ke tak betul?
Betul.
Yeah. Okay. When we use scanner object, bila kita guna scanner object, okay, bila kita guna scanner object, so we use system in. System in refer to keyboard. So meaning that we key in using keyboard. Okay, this is what we did from week 1 to week 10 around. Okay. But now we are going to learn about file input output. Okay, what does it mean by file input output? You can imagine this is Java. Okay, this is Java and this is yang apa ni? Yang ni kita panggil text file. So we use Notepad to create a text file. So meaning that the data will be stored in text file format. Okay, and then let's say you have here Ali and then 80. Okay, Ali 80 ni is a data that we store in text file format. Let's say the name is data.txt, and then from data.txt we will bring this out and give this to Java. So yang ni kita panggil read from file. Okay. Clear? Guys? Okay, and then from here, okay, kita pun dapat Ali 80. Okay, Ali 80. Let's say we have Abu, then we get 90. And then here dekat Java, kita pun do the process. 90 plus 80 equal to 170. Betul tak? And then the result, we want to write in the text file. Kita nak tulis ke dalam text file. So this one, kita panggil write. Kita tulis write to a text file. So you need to understand this important term. Input refer to kita read from text file, and then when we talk about output, it means that kita write to a text file. I give you around 2 minutes to understand this. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear nah?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, kalau clear, now let us move. Okay, kita bergerak ke seterusnya. Okay, introduction to file input output. The value of data in a program are lost when the program terminates. Betul tak? What does it mean? Okay, bila you run Java, there is a output terminal dekat sini. Ada, betul tak? Let's say kita kata Ali 20. Kita pun display. Kita compile, kita run, then kita akan nampak dekat sini dia punya output. But the problem is that bila kita exit, kita tekan pangkah, what happened to the data? Lost. Hilang. Betul tak? So far clear, class?
Clear, sir.
Okay, nah? So, if you want to keep the data after the program terminates, the data need to be stored in a file. That is why kita simpan di dalam file. Java program can read a data and write a data from and to a file. This process is called file input output. Okay, this process is called file input output. The most common type of files are, ada dua jenis, text file and also binary file. However, only text file covered in our topic. So kita akan learn how to read from text file and how to write to a text file. Okay, so input output classes are listed in Java IO package. Next. Okay, tengok sini. Ini adalah contoh text file. This is an example of text file, and the name of text file is data. Tapi bila kita tulis nanti, kita akan tulis data.txt. Okay, surrounded with double quotation. It is same as kita kata Microsoft Word format. Okay, kalau misal kata Microsoft Word format, kita akan buat data.docx. Betul tak? Tapi bila kita save, perlu tak kita save Word, kita akan tulis contohnya assignment .docx. We don't have to write .docx kan. Kita just write assignment, betul tak? Macam tu juga sini. So it is keep in, or it is stored in txt format. Clear, guys? Okay, and then next, data for a program is already available in a text before the execution. So meaning that kita dah sedia pun data ni, kita akan simpan. So there is no input from user, meaning that if you want to get Zaki 90, Aminah 80, Sally and also 70, we don't have to ask user to input the data because the data is already stored in the text file. We only learn how to read data from text file. So therefore, it can save time for the program input process because we don't have to wait user to input or key in the data one by one. Clear or not clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Clear now? Okay. If you don't understand, okay, do not hesitate to ask me. Khalik, okay, Khalik?
Okay, sir.
Adriana?
Okay, sir.
Afnan?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Aisyah?
Okay, sir.
Amir?
Okay, sir.
Arman? Arman? Syamil?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Syaza?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Syahir?
Okay, sir.
And then Syahira?
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah? So now let us move to the next one. Okay, text file. Okay, there are two ways. Ada dua cara to read from text file. Okay, the first one, kita tengok dekat sini. We use class from java.io package. Kenapa kita guna class from java.io package? Sebabnya dekat sini, kalau you tengok, nampak tak? Kita ada import, perkataan import java.io. So meaning that, yang ni kaedah pertama, this is the first method. So kita read from java.io package. Okay, what does it mean by class? We use class from java.io package. It will involve the use of two classes, file reader dengan buffer reader. Okay, what does it mean by file reader? File reader maksudnya nanti, ingat tak bila kita nak declare variable, bila kita nak declare object, kita akan guna student, A equal to new student. Ni katakanlah ni default constructor. Ingat tak yang ni? So student ni actually apa? Student is a is an object. A is an object. Student?
Modifier.
No, student is a
Attribute.
no. Student is a
Class.
Yeah, good. Student is a class. So student is a class. This one is a constructor, right? So macam juga yang ni. Bila kita nak guna, kita akan guna file reader. What is file reader? File reader actually is a class yang disimpan that we take from java.io package. Then kita akan letak A equal to new file reader. Okay, dekat sini kita akan letak data.txt. Kenapa data.txt? Because kita nak baca, we want to read a file name data.txt. So far clear? And then, okay, and then we use buffer reader. Buffer reader ni kalau kita nak tengok dia punya analoginya same as scanner. Scanner sc equal to new scanner. Then kita letak system.in. Kenapa system.in? Because we want to read from keyboard. So here kita guna apa? Kita guna buffer reader. Why we use buffer reader? Sebab kita nak read from file. Then kita buat dekat sini contohnya A equal to new buffer reader. Kemudian dekat sini katakanlah yang dekat sini kita namakan A. So di sini kita namakan B. Then because we want to link, kita nak linkkan dengan kita punya file reader, dan kita letak dekat sini A. So bila kita guna macam ni, then barulah kita boleh buat apa? Kita boleh buat, kalau misal kata dalam scanner kita guna apa? Kita contohnya name equal to sc dot next line. Betul tak? This one is to read string. But in buffered reader, kita boleh guna name equal to b.read. Kalau b.read, meaning that we want to read character. Kalau kita kena b.read line like this one, we want to read from string. We want to read a string. Okay, so far nampak tak gambaran dia? And then kita akan guna read, kita akan guna read line to read string line. Kita akan guna read to read a single character, and then kita akan guna close untuk close a file. Because here file reader we open a file, then we need to close after we finish using the file. Okay, and then here buffered reader tu kita kata macam ni, dia ada satu storage temporary yang mana bila kita nak baca from text file, kita akan simpan di dalam buffer ni. Okay, that's it. Itu saja yang you kena faham. Okay, now let us move to this one. Okay, step to read a text file. There are 4 important steps to read a text file. Okay, the first one is to open a file. Bila kita nak open a file, kita akan guna class file reader. File reader, objek untuk file reader ni, you can give any name. File reader A, but in this case dia nak kenamakan file reader equal to new file reader, then data.txt. Okay, kenapa namakan data.txt? Because the file name that we want to take data from is data.txt. And then kita nak create a Java input stream object and attach it to a file, kita pun namakannya buffer reader in file. Yang ni kalau nak namakan buffer reader Syahir pun boleh. Buffer reader Syahir, buffer reader Syaza, buffer reader Syahira, can, no problem. So here buffer reader in file equal to new buffer reader, reader refer to this one. Clear? And then we read the content and process the data, and finally we close the file using, sebab dekat sini kita buka guna in file. Okay, and then kita buat in file.close. Okay, so far clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
My suggestion, every time bila kita nak create file, Java file and also text file, make sure kita letak di dalam in the same folder. Dalam folder yang sama. Let's say dekat sini kita ada data, let's say this is kita kata folder kan, in your laptop folder in your computer, dan dekat sini namanya folder dia katakanlah task, folder dia task. If you want to keep this, you letak dekat sini data.txt and also Java file together in the same file. Jangan letak dekat sini satu folder nama task, lepas tu dekat sini desktop. Desktop you letak pula dekat sini Java file. So don't keep or store in different file. Okay, soalan. Kenapa sir? Kenapa we are not kita kata encourage to use this? Because bila you letak dia in different folder, you need to specify the directory. Katakanlah data.txt ni you simpan dalam C, you kena buat C, lepas tu you kena buat data. Katakanlah dalam folder task kan, you kena buat dalam folder task, kemudian data.txt. Why we need to specify the directory, dia punya alamat dia dekat mana? Because kita put in different folder. Clear or not clear? But you don't have to write C dekat dia punya directory ni, ataupun D, ataupun my document apa semua. Why? Because you allocate or you store both files in the same folder. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay, now. Okay, let's say, okay, this is kita kata example 1. Okay, what I want you to do is try to spend your time, look at this example, and then try to understand this. Cuba fahamkan. Go back, today, tomorrow, repeat this video. Okay, this video, the link of this video, I'm going to share with you. So what I want you to do is to go back and then to repeat watching this video until you really understand the concept of input-output file. Among the topics in CSC 186, the easiest topic is input-output file. Topik paling senang adalah input-output file. Clear or not clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so far clear now? Okay, now kita tengok dekat sini lah. So now we look at the instruction. Let's say we are given this. Kita dibagikan data ni lah. Data ni belum lagi disimpan. Not stored in text file format yet. We just given this data. Okay, Dini, can you please read the
Yes, sir.
yeah, the line by line?
Yesterday is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. The day after tomorrow is Lusa.
Okay, clear now? So let's say you are given these statements, then you are asked, okay, save the message in a text file named rawdata.txt. Maksudnya, what you need to do adalah you pergi dekat sini and then you type notepad. Okay. Dekat sini saya dah pun ada data, I just need to open lah. But you, if you want to create a new file, of course you have to choose new, then you have to enter the data. Okay. Okay, tengok sini. Okay. So saya pun tak apa, saya buat baru. Yes. It is Tuesday. And today is Wednesday. Then tomorrow is Thursday. And then okay, after tomorrow is Lusa. Okay. And then we save this file. Save as. And then we choose my coding. Where's my coding? Choose my coding. Okay. Now I want to save this in my coding folder. Then here the name of the file is raw data. Saya pun simpan raw data. Then here if you go and check the folder my coding. Just okay, where's my coding? Then you will be able to see raw data file. Nampak tak yang ni? Nampak tak?
Nampak, sir.
Okay, so now this one settle. Okay, next. Okay, save the message in a text file named raw data. So we save in a raw data. You use notepad to create a text file, and then we keep it in a folder my coding. Okay, and then we put both files. So let's say the Java file is file inputa, and then we keep both in the same folder. Okay, now let us try to interpret this. Kita cuba fahamkan, kita cuba tafsirkan yang ini ya. Okay. Okay, this is the data that we want to read from. Kita nak baca daripada sini. Okay, kita baca from this raw data notepad. Okay, these are 4 important steps that we need to go through. Kita perlu lalui untuk membaca data. Okay, tengok. Okay, tengok betul-betul lah. Okay, the first one, we want to link. Kita nak linkkan dengan kita punya raw data. Kita guna file reader read equal to new file reader. This one clear, guys? Clear lah? Okay, good. And then buffered reader in equal to new buffered reader read. This one clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. This one also clear. Okay, yang ni yang student start facing problem. Yang ni. Okay, this one. Sir, why? While, sir? Kenapa while? Sir, why not equal to null, sir? And then, sir, why we need to use in.line, sir? Read line, sir? And then, why we need to use my message, sir? Okay, nah. Tengok sini betul-betul, nah. When we use read line, bila kita guna read line, logically, kita sedang buat apa? Read line. Try to answer.
Kita
Dia
Kita
baca
tengok.
satu-satu line tu.
Yeah, okay, good.
Dia buat.
Good, bagus. When we use in.readline, we actually try to read this data one by one. Okay, bila you buat in.readline, it means that it refer to the first line yang ada dekat sini. That one clear? Okay, in.readline means that dia cuba baca string sebab dia guna read line. Kalau read float, dia akan read float. This one, can you see the word read line? Because this is read line, maka dia baca string. It reads string. When it reads string, bila kita ambil from text file, then we need to assign or to pass to a variable. Betul tak? That is why kita create dekat sini satu variable. The name of variable is my message. And the data type for the variable is string. And that is why kita letak my message here equal to in.readline, meaning that kita baca yang first ni, yesterday is Tuesday, then we give it to my message. Faham tak? Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 statement that we want to read. Kita kena baca satu-satu. That is why we use loop. Sebab tu kita guna loop. Because we want to read this data one by one. During the first step, first iteration of first loop, masa loop yang pertama, kita nak, sebelum kita baca, kita kena check dulu. So kita pun buat my message equal to in.readline, meaning that kita baca, kita tengok ada tak dekat sini data. Oh, ada. Yesterday is Tuesday. Then we pass it to my message. Then kita check. Is my message not equal to null? Maksudnya adakah dia bukan kosong? Kalau dia bukan null, bukan kosong, maksudnya you boleh buat yang bawah ni. So dia akan pergi ke system.out.print. This code to display line by line. Sebab tu nampak. This code to display line by line. Because you letak print ln, the next line akan ada di bawah. So name is my message. Dia akan display yesterday is Tuesday. Faham ke tak faham?
Faham, sir.
This is the first iteration. Iteration means looping, the first looping. So, dia check pula, dia repeat the process. While my message equal to in.readline, maksudnya dia baca yang kedua pula. Today is Wednesday. Dia pass kepada my message. Adakah my message not equal to null? Yes or no? Not equal to null.
No.
Hai, not equal to null. Bukan equal to null. Not equal to null. Not equal null.
Yes.
The answer is yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The answer is yes. Sebab dia not equal to null. Bila not equal to null, baru dia akan implement ni, action in the loop. So bila dia yes, dia pun display this code to display line by line. Name is today is Wednesday. Dia pun pergi ke second line. Then it repeat the process. So tomorrow is Thursday, dia akan check not equal to null. Then dia akan display tomorrow is Thursday. And then the last one, dia akan display lusa. After it finish reading the last message ni, dia akan repeat the process. Bila dia repeat the process, while my message equal to in.readline. Ada tak data selepas ni? Tak ada kan?
Ada, sir.
Tak ada. Jadi dia akan jadi my message equal to null. Is null not equal to null? Jawapannya tak. Sebab null sama dengan null. Jadi dia akan skip this process. Dia akan keluar daripada loop.
Oh,
Okay. Boleh faham ke tak boleh faham? Faham
faham,
tak?
sir.
So
Faham,
in this case, why we need only my message? Sebab kesemua ni adalah string yang sama, pedang yang sama. That is why we only need to create one variable only. Faham ya? And then now we look at try. Dekat sini. Okay, saya nak kosongkan ni supaya you boleh nampak. Saya ulang sekali lagi nah. Saya cuba memudahkan you all semua dengan membuat slide yang macam ni. So what I need from you now is your commitment to go back and watch these videos again and again and again so that you will understand the concept of input-output file. Okay, tengok sini lah. Okay. Yang ni sepatutnya you should focus on the word try and then the word catch. Try tu maksudnya, okay, ini dia punya bracket, beginning bracket, try, and this is end try. Dekat sini dia tutup bracket, meaning that dia akan check dekat sini. Dia akan check ada tak error file not found ataupun ada tak error IO exception. Kalau misal kata ada, dia akan cuba catch related error. Contohnya, nak bagi you faham lagi, contohnya dekat sini. Katakanlah saya buka Jgrabs. Okay, saya nak buka ni. Okay. Kalau kita tengok dekat sini. Okay. Dekat sini file inputer kan. Okay, ni try kan. So meaning dia akan check sampai sini. Sampai end try. And then dia akan catch. Okay. Catch file not found dekat sini. Okay, kita bagi satu nama Shazza. System.output.println you boleh ubah ikut statement that we want to display. Okay, suppose sepatutnya dekat dalam ni, dekat dalam my coding ni ada raw data. Okay, tengok sini lah. Saya compile. I compile and then I run. Okay, see? Dia akan display. This code is to display line by line. Today is Wednesday. This code is to display blah blah. Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, kan? Then you can nampak the day after tomorrow is Lusa. Can you see this message? So that there is no error, right? Okay, let's say katakanlah saya pun buang sini. Dekat sini sepatutnya data saya remove. I delete. So there is no more raw data here. And then saya cuba compile. Nampak tak? Haris, kita tak jumpa file. Dia tak letak pun dekat sini unfortunately wrong input output. Because this is not IO exception. Ini bukan IO exception. Tetapi ini adalah file not found exception. Faham ya?
Faham.
Okay, now. Okay, now let's say kita ubah dekat sini. Kita boleh ubah. Shazza. Shazza, kita tak jumpa file. If you compile and then if you run, nampak tak? Shazza, kita tak jumpa file. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. So now, kelak muka saya pula. Silap. Okay. Saya nak sharing balik. Saya harap semua nampaklah apa yang cuba saya sampaikan dekat sini lah. This one, example 1. Okay, now kita bergerak kepada example 2 pula. Okay. Okay, this one, yang ni saya nak bagi dekat you masa lebih kurang 3 minit lah. Before I come back, saya nak you cuba analyse. Okay, cuba analyse lah. Zaki 90 ni apa? Zaki 90 ni apa? Aminah 80 apa? Kemudian Sally 70 tu apa? Kemudian kita tengok Zaki 90. Zaki 90 ni, okay, kenapa dekat sini kita pakai score float pass float? Kenapa kita pakai float pass float? Kenapa kita pakai in dot line kat sini? Kenapa dekat sini tak ada pun float dot pass float? Okay, cuba fahamkan dalam masa 3 minit saya akan datang. Lepas tu we will have Q&A session. Masa tu do not hesitate, don't worry, don't afraid, don't scared, don't be frightened because I'm not going to test you. We just going to discuss benda ni so that you will, kita kata, lebih faham apa yang kita nak bincang. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear now? I will come back after 3 minutes. Okay. Please study and analyze this coding now. Okay. I'll be back after 3 minutes. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Can we proceed? Boleh kita proceed tak?
Salam.
Okay. So now let's
Yes, sir.
move to this one. Okay. Cuba kita go through one by one. Okay. So now we have Zaki 90, Aminah 80, Sally 70. So logically apa yang you faham dekat sini? Just look at this. Tengok dekat sini saja. Apa yang you faham?
Skor ujian.
Okay, good. Skor ujian. Okay, what else? In term of data, apa data yang ada dekat sini?
String dengan float.
Okay, good. This one is string, this one is float. This one string, float, string, float. Okay, do you see that this one, do you notice that this is actually is a repeat, and then repeat data. Nampak kan? So, Zaki can be named. Kita guess, kita just try to guess. Yang ni mungkin marks. And then this one name, this one also marks. Betul tak? This one name, and then this one also marks. So we can see that this process can be repeated. Nampak ni boleh repeat. Okay, so this one class file input, this one public static void main. Okay, okay, throws IO exception, this one compulsory. Memang kita kena tulis. Okay, okay, dekat sini kita akan try from here until here. This one to close. Okay. Now kita tengok yang nombor satu. Nombor satu ada masalah tak? File reader equal to new file reader data.txt. I think this one no problem. This one clear lah.
Yes, sir.
Okay dah. And then buffered reader in equal to new buffered reader. Nampak? Yang ni just ambil daripada sini. Ni adalah yang kita nak guna nanti. Okay, this one repeat ni. Buffered reader, new. Okay, this one also clear kan? Nombor dua.
Clear, sir.
Clear nah? Okay, yang ni we got problem. This one. Okay, kita put question marks kat sini. Okay, question marks kat sini. Okay, the first thing. Okay, do you notice that here, unlike our coding before, this one it consists of two data types. The first one is string, and then the second one is float. Nampak tak? Beza Beza
Yeah.
Okay, beza. And then now kita tengok sini lah. So here we can see we create string name equal to null. So meaning that this is the first variable. And then we also have float. Yang ni sebenarnya dia boleh letak bawah sebab tu letak semicolon. So float score, this one second variable, and then total. Whereby total dia initialize. Total equal to 0. Nampak tak yang tu? Nampak Okay, nah tengok pula dekat sini. While name equal to in.readLine. Apa maksud readLine ni?
Dia baca line by line.
Okay, good. Bila dia baca, maksudnya yang ni dia refer kepada Zaki. Nampak tak? Yang ni dia refer kepada Zaki. So, in.readLine, so the value of name at the first iteration will be Zaki. Kemudian, name ni dia akan check adakah name not equal to null. Betul atau tidak?
Betul.
Jawapan dia betul. Dia bukan null. Jadi dia akan pergi ke dalam ni pula. So here, you akan nampak name equal to Zaki. Pasal tak? And then if you go in the while, you akan nampak score float.passFloat. Okay, what is the purpose of float.passFloat? Apa purpose-nya? Okay, tengok sini lah. Bila dia buat in.readLine, apa dia buat? In.readLine here. Score equal to in.readLine. Apa dia buat? Ya, because, okay, good. Because here, name equal to in.readLine, dia dah baca Zaki. So, bila you buat yang second in.readLine, dia akan pergi ke 90. 90 actually is a float. Bila you baca in.readLine, readLine dia akan baca in the form of string. Dia akan jadi nilai tu string. Jadi bila string, can we use string for calculation? Boleh tak kita gunakan string untuk calculation? The answer, Cannot. Tak boleh sama sekali. Disebabkan tak boleh, maka kita kena ubah. That is why you type dekat sini float dot pass float. Kalau misalnya kata dia double, you akan buat double dot pass double. Meaning that dia akan ubah jenis string ni kepada jenis float. Faham ke tak faham? So here score will be 90. Bila score 90 and then total equal to total plus score, barulah total equal to 0 plus 90. Dan baru you boleh display system.out.print name, score, kemudian value of score. Total score is total selepas you repeat dah proses. Okay. Bila dah habis 90 ni, dia akan repeat balik for second iteration. Sebab dia dah pun baca read line, maka the next read line akan pergi ke Aminah. Nampak tak sini? So name equal to Aminah. So the latest value of name is Aminah. Dia akan override. Replace the old value. Jadi dia akan check, adakah name tu tidak sama dengan null? Yes. So the latest score will be 80 and then here total equal to 90 plus 80 will be 170. Dan dia akan display name adalah Aminah and then score adalah 80 and then bila dia repeat pula, because dia dah baca Aminah dengan 80, dia akan check adakah name equal to in.readline, adakah sama dengan Sally, dia akan assign ke name, dia akan adakah not equal to null, jadi latest value adalah Sally and then this one is 70. Jadi all together will be 240 if I'm not mistaken. 9, 7, okay. Clear or not clear? Faham ke tak faham?
Clear.
And then finally baru dia akan display total. Okay, again this code you need to go back. Okay, after class what you need to do adalah untuk rewrite semua example yang ada dekat sini. And then bukan saja bila dah habis tu habis, no. You write, compile, run, try to analyze line by line. And after finish, study again and again and again until you really understand idea on how file input output works. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yang ni pula kita tengok jenis sketch lah. Saya dah tunjukkan tadi kan. So what is exception? Exception adalah error actually. Indication that a problem occurred during the program execution. Dia lebih kurang macam error lah maksudnya. Exception tu indication, satu indikasi that shows that problem occurred when you try to execute the problem. Okay, this one clear, no problem. Okay, that one is the first way. The first way to read from file. Now we move to the second one. The second way, we can use scanner class. Tadi kita guna java.io kan. Now we use scanner class. Scanner class ini adalah same as what we do or what we did before to read data from keyboard. Okay nah, cuba tengok dekat sini, cuba fahamkan ya. Tengok sini. Before that, I want to explain the term that used dekat sini. Okay. Cuba tengok dekat sini. Okay, kita tengok kat sini ya. It is a simple text scanner which can pass primitive type and string using regular expression. Yang best yang tentang scanner ni adalah you tak perlu tadi guna kita kata pass float, pass double. Because when it reads, bila dia read, dia akan automatically baca dalam bentuk integer, float. Dia bukan baca dalam bentuk string. Okay. The use of scanner ni, dia breaks its input. Maksudnya input yang dia baca tu dia akan pecahkan kepada what we call token. What is token? Nanti saya tunjuk. And then it will, kita kata able to split. Maksudnya dia baca daripada satu data ke satu data dengan cara melihat kepada pattern. We call it pattern delimiter. Delimiter pattern. Dan delimiter pattern ni ada banyak. Ada yang hanya sekadar space. Oh, bila contohnya Abu 30. Bila nampak space, oh maksudnya Abu and 30 are two different data. Dia faham macam tu. Ataupun ada sometimes kita guna semicolon. Contohnya we write Abu semicolon 30. Bila dia jumpa semicolon, oh this is used to split the data. Ataupun kalau kita tekan dekat sini Abu and then colon 30. Oh, or Abu colon 30, or 30 colon is used to split the data, or sometimes we use comma. Abu comma and then 30, or comma is used to split the data. It depends on the delimiter pattern types that you choose. Okay, now, okay, scanner class. What is scanner class? Simple text scanner which can read primitive type and string using regular expression. So here method that we are going to use is #next. Okay, we have #next wrapper, we have #next int, and here next. Okay, next int and then close. Okay, let us look at this one. Okay, nampak nah? Okay. Here, so public class file input has, and then try. Okay, here we can see the use of file. File reader equal to new file, and here because we put in different folder, then we use directory. This is the data that we want to read from. This is the data. Okay, and then if you look here, string name equal to null, int marks, then total mark equal to 0. Here we write while in has dot next line. Apa maksud in? Maksudnya selagi while in tu adalah dekat sini, scanner ni, in dot has next line maksudnya check if there is a next line. Okay, like this one, bila tengok dekat sini dia akan check kat sini Abu 45. Ada ke tak ada? Ada kan? It is not null kan? Dia bukan null. Bila null, maksudnya barulah dia akan baca di dalam ni. Name equal to in.next, maksudnya Abu adalah name equal to Abu, and then space. Okay, sebab dekat sini dia anggap, dia assume space tu adalah used to split the data. Jadi dekat sini 45 will be given to Mark. Mark will be 45. And then dekat sini ada tak dekat sini? You can see here. Ada tak dekat sini? You boleh nampak dekat sini. Kita gunakan string. Kita gunakan apa nama, pass float, pass integer, pass double. You know we don't have to, sebab yang ni dia punya konsep dia in.next ni actually sama macam kita baca next int, macam kita baca guna scanner yang kita buat baca daripada keyboard. But here kita tak guna dekat sini. Bila tengok scanner in, new scanner, kita reader kita refer to this file. Kita tak guna dekat sini system.in. Clear or not clear, guys? Ke confused? If you
Tak faham ke?
Ya? Tak faham? Okay, tak apa. Okay, bagi tahu saya apa yang tak faham, I will explain. Hai, apa yang tak faham? Jangan segan nak tanya, tanya aja. Okay, tengok sini lah. Tengok term ni dulu. Okay, these are all input. Yang dikatakan input breaks into token ni, maksudnya token ni each of this data. Abu 45. Abu ni satu token. 45 ni dia anggap sebagai satu token. Ali as one token. 55 is a token. Ramli is a token. Dan 66 is a token. Nampak tak kat sini? Ni token. Itu adalah token. White space tu maksudnya ni. Gap ni adalah white space. Okay. White space tak semestinya space saja. Sometimes kita guna semicolon, kadang-kadang kita guna comma, sometimes kita guna colon like this. Clear or not clear, guys?
Clear.
Clear nah?
Clear, sir.
So then total mark equal to total mark plus mark, dia akan tambahkan dekat sini, kemudian dia akan repeat the process. Okay. Then here dia akan catch IO exception. Then you can, this one you can change lah, system output print. Anda dah silap masuk contohnya. You have entered wrong. Input output. Okay, clear ya? Okay. This one. Okay. Before this, we have looked at, kita kata, two way. Yang pertama, kita guna IO, java.io. Yang kedua, kita guna scanner class. Yang tadi kita baca untuk read data. So now kita tengok pula macam mana kita nak write. Write tu maksudnya bila kita dah dapat, kita nak simpan, kita nak save di dalam file. Then kita guna write text file. And then the process of the step all same. Cuma read kita gantikan dengan write. Okay, tadi kita guna file reader kan? Now kita guna file writer. File writer equal to new file writer. Then here we create object to link with external file name, save. Cuma tadi file reader, this one file writer. This one clear nah? And the second one, tadi kita guna input stream, now output stream. Tadi kita guna buffered reader, now kita guna print writer. Out file, new print writer, then writer. Writer here refer to this name. Kalau ini A, ini pun kita ganti dengan A. And then we need to write the contents of the file and then close the file. Okay, clear? Okay, like this one. Okay, how many files we have here? We have 2 files. The first one is odd.txt and then the second one is event.txt. Okay, maksudnya nanti kita akan simpan di dalam event dan satu .txt. This one is first. This one is 2, this one is 2. Yang ni file 1 ni, yang ni. File 2, this one. Okay. So this one k equal to 0, k less than 5, k plus plus, meaning that it repeats 4 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay. J option pane ni, actually you boleh guna scanner. And then dekat sini you boleh guna scanner X atau X, you boleh buat X.next. Next line. Okay. Tapi kenapa guna J option pane? J option pane ni nanti bila you type, dia akan ada kotak. Lepas tu dia akan ada ruang kat sini. You boleh input value dan you boleh submit. So it is more interactive lah. Okay. Kenapa dekat sini int number ada integer pass 6? Bila you gunakan dialog box, when you use, we call this dialog box, the data disimpan dalam bentuk apa? Dalam bentuk string. That is why you need to pass. Kalau misal kata you tak guna yang ni, you tak perlu buat pass ni. Int number equal to yang ni. Kalau misal kata you direct x.next int. Okay, yang ni yang penting. If number percent tu kita nak cari remainder kan, kita nak cari baki, nampak tak? Out to refer to what? Refer to this one. So maksudnya this is a file to refer to event.txt. Bila you buat out to print ln number, maksudnya katakanlah dekat sini 4 tak ada baki kan, so it write 4, dia akan simpan 4. Sebab print ln, the next akan ditulis di bawah. Kalau misalnya kata 8, dia akan letak 10, dia akan letak. If it is not 4, katakanlah 3 tu dia tak boleh bagi dengan 2 kan, dia ada baki kan, so dia akan simpan di dalam odd.txt. So 3, 7, lagi apa lagi? 11, dia letak dekat sini. Okay, I want you to go back and do this example 3. Okay, buat yang ni, fahamkan. Boleh guys?
Boleh, sir.
Boleh.
Okay.
Boleh.
If you don't
Boleh,
understand, then please refer to me. Again, we are now in week 13. Very critical. Kita ada tambahan beberapa minggu nanti saya akan bagi tahu. Tapi it is very critical for you to understand all this coding concept. You will only understand this if you do this on your own. Kalau misal kata you just depend on your friends, you takkan dapat apa-apa, you takkan nampak apa-apa. What you need to do is to do the coding on your own, to analyze, and then if you don't understand, please contact me and ask me any question or ask me for help.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, now. Okay, this is the last one before we finish our class. String tokenizer. Okay, before this, kan kita kata kita spread data. Kita guna space kan. Contohnya Ali 30. Kan, dia ni. Tapi bila kita kata we use string tokenizer ni, maksudnya kita assume Ali and then 30 macam ni. Ada semicolon. Okay, contohnya macam ni. Nampak tak? Dekat sini. Ahmad Bidin. Ni. Maksudnya, ini satu data 90. And then, comma. Okay. Ini satu data. 1, 2, 3. 3 data. Ali Abu. Comma. This one clear or not clear? Apa yang saya cuba nak tunjukkan dekat sini, dia ada Ahmad Bidin, comma tu maksudnya dia split the data. Okay, bila kita split the data macam tu, dia akan guna dekat sini, you nampak tak? String tokenizer ST equal to new string tokenizer in data. In data ni adalah data, satu baris data, like this one. So in data is Ahmad Bidin, 90, A. And then bila you guna koma macam ni, in data, koma, maksudnya every time when it sees, bila dia jumpa koma, dia akan split the data. Okay, tak apa, saya akan tunjuk kat sini. String tokenizer, it is a class that help programmers separate individual part of a string if the items are separated by one character, such as comma. The Java utils string tokenizer is used to break string. Break tu maksudnya pecahkan kepada token. Token tu apa? Words, number, operator, or apa-apa ni nilai. Then tokens, the data of interest in a string characters, they may be separated by comma, space, or other special character. Okay, here tengok sini lah. While in data, what does it means by while in data in dot read line? Maksudnya dekat sini, in data, okay, in data tu refer to the first row, baris yang pertama. So bila you buat string tokenizer, nampak tak? This string tokenizer ni dia akan bahagi kepada string tokenizer, new string tokenizer in data. This one clear nah? Maksudnya satu baris ni dia akan pisahkan bila ada koma. So bila selepas tu, after that, when you write name equal to next token, maksudnya dia akan baca yang Ahmad Bidin. So name, nampak tak? Name will be Ahmad Bidin. And then SC score, next token, dia akan refer to this one, 90. Nampak tak? Then, kenapa kita buat float score? Sebab SC is a string, then we need to convert it to float. SC, like this one. Jadi, score will be ni. And then, string grade A, string grade equal to send next token, meaning that dia akan baca yang seterusnya. Nampak tak? Daripada satu string tokenizer, yang mana ada 3 data yang gabung, Ahmad, koma, digabungkan dengan koma, 90 and A. Okay, string tokenizer in data. Then dia akan, bila you buat name, SC and score, dia akan split ataupun break the data into 3 token. Okay, so dia akan buat the process, kemudian dia akan repeat. Bila repeat, in data equal to in dot line, maksudnya dia akan baca yang kedua. Adakah dia sama dengan null? Tak, dia tak sama dengan null, dia ada data. Dia akan jadikan in data ni as a string tokenizer. Jadi send.next token akan jadi Ali Abu. Tapi because ni dia cuma akan baca Ali saja, Abu dia tak baca. Okay, and then kita tengok dekat sini, comma. Okay, kemudian dekat sini SC score akan go to 50 and then grade equal to C. Kemudian dia akan repeat the process. Siti Ahmad will be named SC, 65 will be given to SC, and then B will be given to grade like this one. Clear or not clear, guys? So
Yes,
here we can see delimiter used in this file is a comma. Okay, bila comma dekat sini dia akan tengok every time when it meets comma dia akan pecahkan data tu. Kalau misal kata sometimes dia letak titik-titik colon. So dia akan tengok titik, dia akan cari titik-titik, then it will split the data into token. Clear? Okay. Here is an example using string tokenizer. Okay. Okay. And then here is input-output file. Ini adalah contoh output file. So I want you to go back and do an analysis on all of these example. Buat balik example ni and then jawab soalan ni. Hello? Hello?
Betul, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what I want you to do, apa yang saya nak you buat adalah, okay, go to December 2019 and then answer question 4. Jawab soalan 4 yang berkaitan dengan Universiti Maya. Universiti Maya, I repeat ya. So when to submit this exercise? Submit masa bila? Submit hari Ahad before 8 PM. Okay. Kalau misalnya kata tak faham, tak clear ke apa, don't worry. Nanti boleh tanya saya, kita akan bincang ni next week during our lab and also during our class. Clear or not clear, guys?
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
Betul, sir.
After that, I will give you, yang ni kita kata slide, and then I will also give you 2 slides lah. Okay. Input output 1 and input output 2. So saya akan bagi dekat you, kemudian dekat situ nanti you buat, saya nak you buat, kemudian submit kepada saya. Bila? Selepas submit kepada saya bila saya nak you study semua input output file. Minggu depan kita akan bincang. Okay guys, clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, kalau tak ada apa-apa, so kita tangguh dulu kita punya kelas pada hari ini. So see you again insyaAllah next week. So thank you for spend your time with me today. So take care. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sir.
Okay, jaga
Thank
diri.
Salam.
Okay, make sure lah. Jangan
Okay, sir.
segan nak tanya saya, okay? Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.